In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment contacts in systeme.io. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long list of contacts, segmentation is the key to making sense of it all. In systeme.io, the simplest and most powerful way to segment is by using tags, short labels you attach to contacts so you can group, find, and communicate with them more effectively. Before we start clicking around, think about what you want to learn or do with your segments. Are you trying to separate people who attended a webinar from those who downloaded a guide? Do you want to distinguish prospects from paying customers? A little planning goes a long way and keeps your account organized as it grows. Now, let's set up your tags. From your systeme.io dashboard, go to the Contacts tab. Inside Contacts, look for the Tags section and open it. Here, you'll see an option to create a new tag. Select Create and name your tag in a way that's clear and consistent. For example, Webinar Leads is great for anyone who signed up for a webinar, and Customers works well for people who have made a purchase. Keep names short, descriptive, and easy for your team to recognize at a glance. A few naming tips can save you time later. Choose a format and stick with it. Capitalize words the same way. Avoid special characters that can cause confusion, and use simple, specific language. If you expect to create many tags, consider using a predictable pattern. For instance, you might label tags by purpose, like stage, lead, or stage customer, or by source, such as source, webinar. The key is to make it obvious what each tag means without needing extra explanation. It's better to start with a small set of core tags and expand only when you truly need to. Too many similar tags create clutter and make segmentation less effective. If you ever discover duplicates or unclear names, you can refine your tags later to keep everything tidy. It also helps to keep a simple reference list for your team so everyone uses the same tags consistently. Once created, your tags will be available throughout your systeme.io account, ready to help you organize contacts and keep your audience structured. You'll find that having accurate, well-named tags makes it easier to understand who's who and to tailor your communication appropriately as your list grows. That's it. Quick, clean, and foundational. Go ahead and create your first set of tags and set yourself up for smarter segmentation from day one.